Nike Zoom Vomero 5 Pink Foam 2025. Although it is a unisex design, Nike Running's 14-year-old design has gained a lot of popularity among women in the past 2 years, which has led the Swoosh to use materials and color schemes that are frequently associated with this market group. The most recent product to hit the market has a breathable mesh foundation, laces, and a tried-and-true outsole, all in a spring-appropriate pink. Cushlon foam midsoles and overlays vary in light cream hues known as phantom, with accents of dark black contrast. Similar to how the luminous strips around the top evoke the runner's beginnings, the stability clip at the heel adds a metallic platinum hue. Savor the official appearance of the Vomero 5 for women. Nike.com will sell the pink foam design for $160 on Tuesday, April 1.